wait a minute.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Hi, and welcome to Airstream Facelift. I am Tana, your principal designer here. I want to talk to you guys today about a unit that's already gone home to New York City, but she is super cool and she's one that I really wanted to share with you. Her name is Brooklyn and she's a 345 Airstream motorhome. So she's huge at 34 feet long and she's inspired by urban street art. She was fun and bold and loud and just about as crazy as we could get, and I loved every second of it. I can't wait to show you what this girl looked like when we were finished.
Let's go back to Indiana circa 1983.
Yep, we got to take this one all the way back to the beginning.
All right, time to get back to it.
Okay, the 80s were cool and all, but I don't miss a thing about that Airstream. This is where it's at. And this nose-to-tail renovation left nothing unturned.
Slow it down, Thurier, slow it down. This jacket makes me look like I'm an employee.
We do have to take it a bit slower for this bathroom, though. So there's something about taking a bathroom that looks like this and ending up with something like this. When we first started talking about this unit, my client told me that it would likely be used with celebrities. So I wanted to make sure this bathroom was super cheeky, so I included paparazzi right on the wall. And when I say this girl is my favorite, I'm not even exaggerating a little. So I really hope that you enjoyed Brooklyn as much as we did. We had a blast with her. She did take a while because motorhomes take forever generally, but she was a lot of fun to work on, and I really enjoyed picking out her wallpapers. I love going bold, as you know, and it was exciting for me to be really like not have to hold back at all. I went with the boldest, most fun, most loud, most colorful papers that I could find, and I think it turned out pretty cool in the end. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Thanks for sticking around here at Airstream Facelift to see what we've got going on, and make sure you're checking out other videos too. We've got more units coming to you very soon.